Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 6 English. Now we know that this is our periodic 2 syllabus is going on, and apart from this is the 10th chapter. The chapter name is Puppetry in India and the unit name is On the Indian Street. Now we all know that that yesterday I gave you the introduction of the chapter, right? Give the objectives of this chapter, and apart from this thing also I inform you that these all are Indian culture art, right? Puppetry, street drama, then Ram Lila, Krishna Lila, these all are what? Indian culture, right? And because at present they are some of the area they are performing this puppet shows, but it is not in vast area, right? Very few rural areas, not in cities, in villages. Some of the people who perform this drama, because during ancient time, what happened? There is no entertainment elements like television and DVD in which they are and all this. So that's why they are what are they doing? So they are showing with the help of the puppets, street drama, and etc etc etc, right? So here in this chapter you know this kind of the things, and even you will learn something new information about the puppets. Now kinds of the puppets, how they perform, which are the stories into the narrating, which are the stories that we have to present into the puppetry shows. All these things you will learn from this chapter. So let's start. I will explain the chapter. So first line it says that puppetry is an ancient form of popular folk entertainment. Now what is puppetry? The first question, what is puppetry? So it is an ancient art, right? Or ancient form of popular folk entertainment. It means with the help of the puppetry, we are presenting our folk tales, right? So that's why it is a folk entertainment. Glove, rod, shadow and string puppets originated in India around the 5th century BCE. So when and which did puppets originated? So when? So before, in the around the 5th century BCE, before the Christ era, before common era, right? 5th BCE means before common era. So before around the 5th century, right? That time they are presenting what? The gloves puppet, rod puppet, shadow puppet, string puppets, they have to originate it and presenting in front of the people. So read on to find out more about them, and we have to find out more about them. Shh, mother said, we have to go watch Chambukutti's Pava Kathakali performance tonight in the temple courtyard. She continued. Now mother silent as child and children and says that stop. What is, see that? What plans did mother have for evening? So she has a plan for what? So they had to go where? To watch Chambakutti's Pava Kathakali performance. Where? So tonight in the temple courtyard. So that is her plan, right? So she will take her children near the temple courtyard. Why? Because they have to plan. Which are the plan? That to watch Chambukutti's Pava Kathakali. Now what is the Pava Kathakali? That it is an ancient glove puppet, right? Their theatre form found only in Kerala. Now it is Chambukutti's Pava Kathakali is what? It is Keralian and glove puppet, and performed by the community who moved from Andhra Pradesh to Kerala. Those people who are living into the Andhra Pradesh and they moved to where? Kerala in 18th century, and that's why they that Pava Kathakali, right? This is the history of Pava Kathakali. That the people who are living in before era, it means around the 18th century, they are living in where? Andhra Pradesh. But then after, around the 18th century, they moved towards where? Kerala. And that area, they have to presenting their art, right? That is Pava Kathakali. And it is a glove puppet right? They have to wear the gloves on their hand and glove puppet. And we all know that at night time, right, with the help of the mobile torch, we have to make some faces, shadows. With the help of, we can play the shadows. If we want to make the mouth of the dog, we have to use just only this open space, and it is what when you have to show the shadow. So what is it? Now it see that it's look like a dog, right? So here says also when you presenting. Now what is it? So it's look like a rabbit. So this is the thing. If you want to presenting some animals, so how can you say that? Just only says and pick your hand. See, now see that. It's look like a animals. If you want to flying the birds, just use this hand and do this kind of the thing. Finger, turn your thumb. It's look like what? You are flying the birds. See this. Right? So this is the, with the help of the hand, you can present lots of things. Now, what's the Pava Kathakali? Amma asked Amrita curiously. So, who is Amrita? So she is a daughter of mother, and she is the one character, and she is a curious girl, right? So she says that they are glove puppets. Now, glove puppet, as I told you, they wear the gloves on their hand. They are popular in Kerala and used in performances, right? So this Pava Kathakali is famous in Kerala, and they have to use for the performances. Come upstairs with me. She said, grandfather has a collection of glove puppets in the attic. Attic means what? A space or room inside the roof of a building. We can say that gallery, balcony. It's called upper side. It is attic, right? So open area. Around your bedroom or the room or near the hall, there is a one open area, little some space. What is it? It is a attic, right? So says that what? Let's we go to the upstairs. So what did mother show the children in the attic, and where is the glove puppets popular? So glove puppets popular in where? So the glove puppets is popular in Kerala. And what did mother show the children in the attic? So what did she show? So she showed to their children a grandfather's has a collection. Now this Amrita's grandfather has lots of collection of the glove puppets into the attic, and then after says that let's go upside and I will show you. Mother opened an old iron trunk. Now we all know that old iron trunk. Before that time there is not a almirah, so they are using an iron trunk, very used, right? At least 2 or 3 people can carry, and then after it is a heavy trunk. She carefully took out a bundle of cloth, right? Then after what did she? She took out a bundle of cloth. She slipped the folds onto her right hand, and there is one right hand, there is something slipped. A grand old, now slipped means there is one puppet and she wear, right? She wear on her fingers, it means slipped, and on right hand, a grand old king seemed to come alive. It's look like that what it is alive. He wore rich robes of white, red and gold. So here are the questions. What is in mother's hand? So in mother's hand there is a one grand gold king's puppet. What did mother take out from the trunk? So she took out a bundle of the clothes and the puppets. And how did the puppets look? So the puppet looks how that it looks seem to the king who wears who wore the rich robes. Robes means clothes of the white, red and gold color, and mother wrinkled. Now wrinkled means what? Twisted and moved. Now with the help, I told you that, right? She moved. If there is a hand, so she used thumb and finger into the hand. Just you says that, right? Wrinkled her fingers and thumb. I told you that, and children. And the king seemed to be wagging his hands, or wagging its means. Now her mother used her thumb and finger with the and moved it, and that time what happened? It is wagging the head. The children giggled in surprise. The children also surprised. Oh, this is the puppet. How in that way it's performed. Mother took out a few more glove puppets from the trunk. The children took them gently in their hands. Then after mother took some more puppets from the trunk, and the mother gently, the children took them very gently in their hands. How cleverly made, right? How beautifully dressed. Now see this. How cleverly made. It is also explained. They haven't seen these kinds of the gloves, puppets, and all this. That's why they are curious. They are shocked. They are surprised. And that's why I said how cleverly made, how beautifully dressed. Each looked like the Kathakali actor with heavy makeup, headgear, and colorful costume. Now what? Headgear. Headgear means turbans and other items that are worn on the head. Right? So they have to wear how it look. So beautifully. They look like Kathakali actors. Right? Who wears heavy makeup, turbans on their head, and colorful costume. The head and arms are carved of wooden and joined together with the thick cloth that was cut and stitched onto a small bag. So, describe the puppets. So, the puppets, right? Their head and arms, which is carved by the wood, carved of the wood, and then after what happened? It joined with what? Thick cloth, so that was cut and stitched into the small bag, and they have to stitch into the one small bag. They are like a Kunderi Naj, right? Kundei Naj glove puppets of Odisha, aren't they? Now in Odisha there is one other name, in the name of the what? Kundei Naj. Now it is a Kundei Naj. So it's look like a Kundei Naj. They are Kundei Naj, and to pull to Naj also. These are the two words into the Odisha. And Suraj asked this question. So what did Suraj ask? So Suraj says that it's look like, and these puppets, it look like what? Kundei Naj, glove puppets. Why? Because he asked this question. Our teacher showed us pictures of them. She said that puppeteer play on dholak with one hand and the controls the puppet with the other. What did it say? Dholak means what? It is one kind of the Indian drum, right? Mridang, dholak, these are the different kinds of the drum. So here says that it is also one type tabla, dholak, drum, mridang, this different Indian instruments, right? So here says what? My teacher said, right? So what did the teacher say? So the teacher said what? So says that the puppeteer plays on a dholak with one hand. With the one hand she played the dholak, and other hand what? She controlled the puppet. The dialogue, the movements, and the dholak all create an exciting atmosphere. Exciting atmosphere means what? Now what do you mean by the atmosphere? Now atmosphere is not surrounding the area. Now here atmosphere, it means what? To setting, right? Because the dialogue delivery, the dholak, and the dancing, the movement of the puppet, these three characters creating atmosphere or create an exciting setting. It is the same for Pava Kathakali. He asked, right? It seems look like the Pava Kathakali. There is a separate orchestra for this performance. Now orchestra means what? It is a one type of a band. We all know that a big group of musicians playing various instruments. It's called orchestra. So what says that? Mother says that there is a separate orchestra for this performance. They perform hour-long shows for the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mother explained. So who is the Chambakuti? Now with the help of these puppets, they have to perform the long hour, very 2 or 3 hours show, and it is the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata she present. You will love what you see tonight. You will love when you see this kind of thing. You will also love this kind of the things. Chambakuti is an expert puppeteer, she said and smiling. Now who is Chambakuti? Chambukuti. So Chambukuti is what? That is an expert puppeteer. Now puppeteer means what? A person who makes and operates the puppet, right? A person who makes and operates the puppet. So students, I hope you have to learn these things properly. Now what is exactly puppet, right? Then after I will teach you the different kinds of the puppets from this lesson, glove puppet, road puppet, and what are the kinds that from our chapter that I will teach you the next lecture. Thank you students.